Why aloe vera good for men? Aloe vera, sexuality, and natural vasodilators. Human sexuality is a form of nonverbal communication, in which the couple has a very wide area of expression. Pleasant exchanges decrease the burden of negative exchanges that occur both within and outside the couple. It enhances the relationship and improves our quality of life. There are plenty of miracle products in tablet form to enhance this area, such as Viagra, Levitra, and Chalice, all for erectile dysfunction, by dilating blood vessels. In this post we will talk about how aloe vera nutritious components and others may help us to achieve these same results but with natural remedies, and hopefully this will be of interest to our visitors. Thereby we intend to cover more and more aspects of human life, and sexuality is one of the main aspects of it, as we are sexual beings, whether we like it or not. We are not yet sexless angels, thankfully. Male sexuality problems. In older men, erectile dysfunction usually has a physical cause, such as disease, injury, or side effects of medications. Any disorder that causes injury to the nerves or impairs blood flow to the penis can cause erectile dysfunction. This condition increases with age. About 5% of men in their 40s and between 15 and 25% of men over 65 experience erectile dysfunction. But erectile dysfunction is not necessarily an inevitable part of the aging process. Experts believe that psychological factors such as stress, anxiety, guilt, depression, low self-esteem, and fear to not perform as expected during intercourse cause 10 to 20% of cases of erectile dysfunction. Men with a physical cause for ED frequently experience the same sort of psychological reactions: stress, anxiety, guilt, depression. In many cases an improvement of vasodilation increases power and sexual desire. When it comes to sexuality, the physical and the psychic aspects are very close. Feeling good physically and mentally increases the frequency and the desire to have sex. Aloe vera and the circulatory system. The benefits of aloe vera for the cardiovascular system are known of old, and the Chinese Empire in the 17th century BC recommended the ingestion of aloe vera to regulate blood pressure, both in cases of hypertension and in cases of hypotension. IE acts as a regulator of blood pressure. The organic germanium contained in aloe vera acts as a blood pressure regulator, has proven to be a natural regulator. This component is also present in other vegetables, such as shiitake mushrooms, garlic, chlorella, etc. Dr. Asay was one of the researchers who most thoroughly investigated the presence of germanium in aloe vera and the benefits of other trace elements and their function in the body. The isocitrate calcium salts that are present in aloe vera also play an important role for a good cardiovascular health. Aloe vera ingestion produces a decrease in cases of angina pectoris and also lowers LDL cholesterol and triglycerides, producing an increase in HDL cholesterol, good for health. Angina pectoris causes pain in the chest and arms, especially the left, due to lack of oxygen in the heart in people who have coronary disease. It usually appears after making considerable physical or exertion or stress. Aloe vera, due to its high content of folic acid, magnesium, and vitamin E, regulates ventricular heart contractions, facilitates oxygenation of the heart cells and makes the painful spasms of angina pectoris disappear. It regulates the circulatory system, improving blood supply, prevents heart disease, which is important, as well as vasodilatation and erections, though it is necessary to complement it with other products. It is also an excellent natural lubricant for women who suffer of lack of vaginal lubrication, and it helps combat vaginal yeast infections. Watermelon, the natural Viagra. The new research of natural products never cease to amaze us. Now a quintessential summer fruit such as watermelon increases vasodilation, due to its high content of citrulline. The high content of citrulline helps improve relaxation of the capillaries. It is great for the heart and for people who have heart diseases, as it boosts the immune system and has no side effects as the miracle pills that are sold today. This is a topic that we are paying particular attention to, as many fruits and vegetables have a special effect on human health, and diets today are poorer in these components, with the abuse of junk foods with empty calories that provide no benefit to our health. Stress, our Western lifestyle are seeing an increase in diseases of all kinds, damaging and weakening our immune system and producing nothing but dissatisfaction these days.